Good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed about the different types of these types of crops that we are cultivating in India and major agriculture products of India. So in that one more section is there, that is hot beverages. Tea. Tea is a plant of typical as well temperate zone. The tea leaf and its tender uh, sprouts are processed and is powder, and small leaves are used in drinks. India produces maximum tea after China. India produces maximum. India stands in second. Underline. Sri Lanka, China, and India are leading tea exporters. Stop, Slopy land where the water easily flows down. Good iron contents, 20 degree to 30 degree Celsius temperature, and about 200 centimeter rainfall coming in from a form of showers throughout the year are favorable conditions for tea plantation. So the favorable condition, underline, 20 degree to 30 degree Celsius temperature and 200 centimeter rainfall is required for this. And the tea is grown more in Assam, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Assam and West Bengal produce about 75% tea of the nation. The tea leaves are very skillfully plucked from the plants. So that is it. So tea, it is at average temperature, it is required 20 to 30 degree and 200 centimeter rainfall, and the leaves are it is planted on the slopy areas because water is not required. Water we have to slope from that particular thing. The picture it is there showing. Then next is coffee. Coffee is reared over the slopes of mountains in the shades of large trees, such in a way that no direct sunlight falls on the coffee leaves. The coffee crops need 150 to 200 centimeter rainfall and 15 degree to 28 degree Celsius temperature and slopy mountain land. Coffee is grown in abundance in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Coorg area of Karnataka is a well-known region of coffee production. Coffee seeds are extracted out of the nuts, grinded, and when it is used as a drink. So what is the temperature? 150 to 200 centimeter rainfall and in 15 degree to 28 degree temperature required. Then coming to the next seed is cocoa. Cocoa is prepared out of the seeds of the cocoa fruit. Cocoa is beverage. Chocolate is prepared from cocoa. It requires hot and humid climate and excessive rainfall. African countries are its major producers. Cocoa production is in increase in Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu states. So these all things that you have to underline which are the states it is there and what is the favorable conditions of coffee and cocoa. So these all are the things. Hot beverages is tea, coffee and cocoa. So next is cash crops. Cash crops means what? Means in return we are getting money after selling this product, selling this crop, that is known as cash crop. So cash crops are cotton. Cotton is a kharif crops. Cotton holds an important place as a cash crops in Gujarat and in India. At the world level, India at the second place in the production, usage and export of cotton. Cotton without seed is obtained from the cotton plant. This cotton is known as white gold in India. Besides the cotton seed, oil is used to prepare edible oil, and its seed and oil cake are used as animal food. Black lava soil which can retain humidity for a longer time. Soil with plenty of mineral contents. Hot and humid climate. 20 degree to 35 degree Celsius temperature and 30 to 70 centimeter rainfall, etc. are favorable conditions for cotton. The growing seasons of cotton is about 6 to 8 months. Frost damages the cotton crops. Frost means what? This means highly huge water is coming. That rain creates frost. That frost damages the cotton crops. In India, major cotton producing states are Gujarat, underline Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, etc. As the farmer of Gujarat have accepted BT cotton seeds, Gujarat stands first in India in nest areas on productivity, total production and quality of cotton. Cotton is grown more in Surendranagar, Rajkot, Vadodara, Ahmedabad, Sabarkanda, Mehsana, Botad, Bharuch, Heda, Surat, Panchmahal, Amreli, Bhavnagar, Patan, Junagadh and Jamnagar districts. So Gujarat is first in the country. In India, Gujarat stands first for the cotton production, and the total sown area is first in the Gujarat. So next is sugarcane. Sugarcane is a major crop. These maps you have to understand agriculture crop means jute, sugarcane, cotton, where it is located, jute and sugarcane and cotton it is located. These maps will be asked in the exams. Then sugarcane is a major crops in India. Maximum sugarcane is sown in India in the world. In production, India ranks second after Brazil. So in India ranks in the world. India is in the second position after the Brazil. Sugar, gur, kansari and ethanol are product out of sugarcane. Black fertile alluvial soil, hot and humid climate, 21 degree to 27 degree temperature, 75 to 100 centimeter rainfall are necessary for sugarcane. So these all are things required. And Uttar Pradesh is the top in area zone, but Maharashtra leads in the production. South Gujarat and Saurashtra produce more sugarcane. Then coming to the jute, India produces maximum of jute in the world. Jute fiber is called golden fiber. Underline. Jute cloth, gunny bags, mattresses, robes, bags, footwears, handicrafts items, etc. are made from jute. India has a strong competition from Bangladesh with regards to cheap labor in jute industry. Jute requires fertile soil to be delta region where the new sediment is deposited every year. Hot and humid climate, 32 to 40 degrees Celsius. Temperature, don't confuse with these temperatures. Temperature in different products, different crops, different temperature are there. So you have to notice that. So 30 degree to 40 degrees Celsius temperature are more than 100 centimeter rainfall. Jute is grown more in the Ganga Delta in West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Odisha and Uttar Pradesh. So underline. Then coming to the next is tobacco. Tobacco is kharif crops, sandy loamy soil, 20 degrees Celsius and 100 centimeter rainfall for suitable for the tobacco cultivation. Soil is determining factor than climate for tobacco cultivation. Major four countries in world which grow and export tobacco are China, Brazil, India and USA. Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka are the major states producing tobacco in India. The Charotar region of Kheda and Anand districts, Mehsana, Vadodara, Panchmahal grow more tobacco. About 80% of the BD tobacco of India is produced in Gujarat. Tobacco is used to make gudkha, bidi, cigarette, snuff, etc. Tobacco consumption is harmful to the health. Sikkim is the first state of tobacco, gudkha. Then coming to the next is rubber. Rubber is prepared out of the milk oozing out of the lactose trees. Acetic acid is mixed with the milk collected from the rubber plantation, then it is heated or a low temperature obtain rubber. It is used in many industrial products like ice, tubes, etc. Rubber plantation is carried out in the region of hot and humid climate and heavy rainfall. Malaysia ranks first in the world in rubber production in India. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Assam and Tripura are the rubber producing states. So these are things about rubber. Coming to the next, that is condiments and spices, then fruits and flowers, and technical and institutional reforms of agriculture. So this we will discuss tomorrow. Till this you read and prepare yourself. Okay, thank you.